So for our steak sandwich today, we'll start with some USDA beef strips. So these are readily available in your local grocery store. So we'll simply cut it into halves. Then we'll place it into our tray. Then we'll season it in this. So we'll add to it 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and finally some freshly grounded black pepper. To give it some more flavor, I drop a piece of butter to give it some more moisture and flavor. You mix this well until everything is evenly coated. Then we set that aside and let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes while we prepare something else. Okay, we got our garlic, so let's work on our garlic butter. Now we simply crush 2 cloves and then we'll just chop it up. And we'll dice it nicely. And finally, this is the key. We'll have to crush it with the side of our knife to flatten it and smear it into like a butter-like consistency. And finally, we add it to our butter. And to our butter, we add some black pepper, salt, and some dry basil for flavor. Then mix this all well until it's all coated, and we can also set that aside. And we work on our onion. So we cut off the ends of our onion and peel it. Then we can also cut those into strips. Doesn't have to be perfect because it'll be sauteed later on in our pan. So we just want our flavor from this. Great, now that's all done. We heat up our skillet with some olive oil and we can start searing our beef. Right here we have about 300 grams of beef strips. So we let it slowly cook in our olive oil until you see it's turning brown. Then we can start removing it. Look how beautiful that is. We don't want to overcook it because it will become dry. And with the same pan with all the beautiful flavored oil, we saute our onion in it. Add a little salt to it to help it sweat. And we mix this well under low heat until it's brown. Then we can also pour that into our little container so that we can use it for plating later. Awesome. Now with the same skillet, we're not going to waste that precious oil. So we'll fry an egg in it. We'll crack 2 large eggs seasoned with paprika, salt and pepper. We beat it well together and we can move on to our pan. Because our pan is already hot with the residual oil. So mix it well, shake it until it's evenly coated. We allow it to be on heat for a minute or 2. Then we can turn off the heat and allow the residual heat to cook the egg through. Look how beautiful this is. Then we can prepare our bread. So today I'm using 7 sliced bread, white loaves, but if you like you can use brown or any other type of bread. Then with our garlic butter, we spread it over our bread. Just evenly coat one side. Yes, it's looking beautiful. Then we can transfer our bread onto our tray. So this is our oven baking tray. So we'll just simply transfer it, spread it out evenly, and then we'll bake this at 200 degrees for about 5 minutes. Now our egg is ready. We'll cut that in 4 and set that aside. So once that's all done, we can cut our tomato. This will be our vegetable in this great sandwich. So we just thinly slice it and set that aside. So now we have all our ingredients. Our beef is ready, and we can grab our bread now. Our toast should be ready, nice and crispy. Awesome. So our first sandwich, we'll grab 4, and we'll start assembling this beautiful steak sandwich. We put a handsome amount of beef on one slice, tomato on the other, and we can begin to stack them. Then we put some caramelized onion over that, and another layer of bread, and finally our egg. This egg is perfectly done, and we coat it with some more beef and top it up with some more tomato. That's all done. Now we press this all together and cut it, and see how beautiful this is. Look at the crisp. Now let's see. Wow, this is perfect. If you like cheese, you can also add cheese to it. So look at this. It tastes very good. We serve it with a side of onion rings or fries if you like. This is perfect. The flavor is real juicy and tasty. Okay, bon appetit. Thanks for watching again. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and watch our other playlist. Bye now.